Hi there! Today we're going to break down the Solana Sniper Bot, a bot designed for sniping meme coins on Solana. I'll explain how it works, its pros and cons, and at the end, I'll show the bot in action. The results will shock you. Solana Sniper Bot positions itself as a platform for lightning-fast entry into new listings on the Solana blockchain. A bot that tries to buy tokens immediately after liquidity appears. Snipe. To catch the early price momentum. Technically, the bot listens to on-chain events and, when conditions are met, sends high-priority transactions. Speed is the key factor for such bots. Why can this work? Main advantages: speed and automation. The bot automates reaction to new listings, giving you an edge in a competitive environment. Flexible setting, take profit, stop loss, purchase limits, all allow you to define your strategy and manage risk. Community support and updates. The project has active Twitter accounts, UI updates, and feature announcements. Beginner friendly. The GUI and presets make it easy to start if you follow the instructions. Now the most important part, the risks. Risk of losing funds. Sniping is a high-risk strategy. New listings often turn out to be rug pulls or drop sharply. Even a fast bot doesn't guarantee profit, but fortunately, this bot includes rug pull checks, which helps minimize that risk. Some other bots require you to provide private keys, but this one doesn't. You simply connect your wallet. Everything is simple and transparent. You can check prices and plans on the pricing page. The golden rule: compare the cost of the service with the capital you're planning to trade. An expensive subscription only pays off with consistently positive results. And now, a short demonstration. I'll show how I launch the bot, which settings I choose, and what happens when a trigger is activated. So sit back and enjoy with some pleasant music. Here, the bot is finishing its work. In such a short amount of time, the profit is excellent. The bot works quickly and reliably. All the settings I configured worked perfectly, and the profit turned out to be very solid. If you enjoyed this, like the video and subscribe. I'll leave a link to the website and useful materials checklists in the description.